Secondary School number 53. I am Sharapova Shahnoza. Let's begin our online lesson. Hello, dear pupils. How are you today? How is your mood? How do you spend your free time? Take your books, copybooks, and others. You are ready for the lesson? Okay, if you're ready for the lesson, let's begin our online lesson. You are very good, yes? Okay, pupils. Our new term is there are some apples in the garden. Look at the picture, pupils. There are some apples in the garden, yes? The aims of the lesson. Use the is there are to make statements. To learn about there are some apples in the garden. To revise vocabulary and grammar material. Develop reading, writing, and speaking skills. Some and any. Some using in the positive and interrogative sentence. Example, there are some apples on the table. Can I have some tea? Would you like some coffee? Any using in the negative and interrogative sentence. Examples, is there any water in the glass? I haven't got any sisters and brothers. Some, a positive forms, there are some books. There are some books. Any, question forms, are there any books? Are there any books? No, not any, negative forms. There are no books. There are not any books. Open your books on page 174. Exercise 1. Pupils, look and read or listen me, please. Listen me, please, pupils. Brother and Akalai's dialogue, please. Akalai, can you make an apple pie? Akalai, let's see. Are there any apples in the fridge? Brother, no, there aren't. Akalai, sorry, Adilat, I can't make an apple pie. Are there any potatoes? Brother, yes, sir. Akalai, is there any cabbage? Brother, yes, there is. Akalai, are there any onions? Brother, yes, there are. Akalai, are there any tomatoes? Brother, yes, there are. Akalai, are there any carrots? Brother, yes, there are. Akalai, are there any peppers? Brother, yes, there are. Akalai, I know, we can make. Exercise 2 on page 175. Choose the correct answer. Listen and check, please. You must write your copybooks, please. Pupils, take your copybooks and write, please. There is or there are a black cat in the room. A black cat, one black cat, yes. There is a black cat in the room. There is a black cat in the room. Second, there is or there are two pencils in my school bag. Two pencils. There are two pencils in my school bag. There is or there are apples in the box. Apples. S. Yes, there are apples in the box. Okay, are you right, pupils? Okay, pupils. Well done. Your homework is exercise 5 on page 178. Write 10 sentences about your classroom. Write 10 sentences about your classroom. Use there is, there are, there isn't, there are not. For example, there is a blackboard in the classroom. There is a desk in the classroom. Yes. There isn't apple in the classroom. Yes. There are not what? There are not cabbages or grapes. There are not grapes in the classroom. Yes. There are not. Yes. Okay. You must write your homework. Is it clear for you, pupils? Okay, pupils, our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, pupils.